This guy Nubius Games. Now, this is this is his new voice, right? His new voice, wherever he is. Wait, this is his new voice, right? This is his voice, right?
So guys, we just found what? Why can't I? Ita, why can't I record?
Now that's my new voice. That's his new voice. Now I found something that I did not even heard. I found this when I was searching his Sonic Roblox video. Guess let me see gaming retro. No, I forgot what it is. Not gaming videos. There's loads of There's loads of them. Holy shit! This video. I want to hear his. I found his video is so funky. What the